Looking for a unique and customized Android experience for your POCO X3? Look no further. Today we'll explore the amazing OrionOS, a heavily modified version of Android 14 designed specifically for your device. OrionOS isn't just another ROM, it's an engineering masterpiece crafted to get the most out of your phone. This system blends seamless performance, deep customization, and a visually appealing interface to offer an unparalleled user experience. One of OrionOS's standout features is its high level of customization. You can tailor everything from colors and fonts to animations. Imagine having a smartphone that's a true reflection of your personality. But it's not just about looking good. OrionOS also delivers robust performance and excellent battery life. You'll notice the difference immediately when using apps and performing daily tasks. Plus, power management has been optimized to provide the longest possible usage time between charges. And that's not all. OrionOS offers a plethora of additional features to help you boost productivity and organize your digital life. From smart productivity tools to smarter notifications, this system has you covered. When comparing OrionOS to other ROMs, we find it offers a smoother and more customizable experience. While it may lack a game booster feature found in some other ROMs, OrionOS provides excellent gaming performance overall. OrionOS often employs an optimized kernel designed specifically for gaming, enhancing system responsiveness and reducing input lag. Memory management in OrionOS is optimized to provide more available memory for games, resulting in smoother performance. OrionOS may include custom profiles for popular games, allowing game settings to be automatically optimized for the best performance. In short, OrionOS is a game-changing ROM for POCO X3 users. If you're seeking a unique and customized Android experience, OrionOS is the perfect choice. Try it out now and see the difference for yourself.